Coin Trio. Friday night, Las Vegas. $100. Hundreds of dollars coming out, I hope. Right? That's the plan. This is a fun game. We've never played it. We've seen a lot of people play it before. But excited to try it. Okay, so it's a triple pop kind of situation here. The red one looks excited. You can come on out, red. Firecrackers are wild. Those are the progressives up there. Major looks pretty good too. We'll take it. Oh, wow, almost a full screen. Oh, wow, that's pretty big though. Just one more little fishy at the end would have been huge. It's a good start. $21, not bad. Now pops. Pops. Kings? Nope. We hope you all are having a good night. Oh, keep going. Green? Did it do it? It looked like it did it. It didn't though. Okay. The wild is the firecracker. Yeah. So we want a triple pop, of course. Oh, we did get green? Oh, we did get green, I think. Yeah, we got a tiger bonus. I don't know what's on this. So we want. Yeah. No, it's a triple bag thing. So it just triggered it randomly. Kind of like Mo Mummy, kind of like these other ones. So let's see what this one does. Let's see some big numbers. Oh, a war doll. Okay, so it's one of these. Yeah, so once you get a green thing, it grabs all that money you won. So let's look. So let's see. Okay, all right. Whoa. So if we get a green, it collects everything. Oh, $8, all right. Come on, another green one, please. We need another green one. It's so bright. Yeah, I don't know why I might. Okay, so now, if we got one more of those green ones, it would have collected everything, I think, yeah. Okay. All right. See, the good thing is to get all three of them, and then you get. Yeah, they're betting, I think, a little bit bigger, but. Okay, so that was pretty fun. Let's do more of that, please. Oh, we want all of them. We want to be greedy here. We have to give wifey money. Come on, triple pop. Tens? Oh, wow, okay. Firecrackers are tens. $7 firecrackers. All right. Oh, come on. Red and green. Christmas. Yeah, 3 can pop together. That's obviously huge. It's like getting like 3 firecrackers and something else. Oh, inside of a Fudong. What's it called? Come on, blue. I asked for blue. Did it do it? It looks really big. No, but not big enough. Come on, blue. 48 cents. $90 even. Oh, you could have kept going. We want to see many at once. We'll take one at a time. So it's real waste. Oh, you could have kept going. Red looks ready. Red looks ready. I guess not. Green again? Oh, green's getting big again. My favorite color. Oh, you could have had... I'd rather have fish than that one. Oh, it just like was flying by too. Of course, the 10s again. All right, there's a lot of 10s. A lot of 10s. In fact, it was 11 10s. $11 in 10s. 99999. Come on, red and blue. Should we change our bet? Let's go to lucky 2 cents. And what is this? $3.52 a bet. Kind of big. Kind of scary. Kind of awesome. Kind of exciting. Oh. No. Come on, green. Wifey wants to put in her lucky ticket. Wifey's lucky ticket. Oh, just spit it out. Wifey tried to put in a lucky ticket and spit it right out. No, we don't want your 49 cents.
It's the 49 cents that I have.
Yeah, it's the last 49 cents she has, machine. Please be kind to us. Okay, 2 cents is not kind to us. We'll go to back to 1 and change this and go back to this. Do a couple fast 88 spins. Oh, okay. Some roaring tigers. $3, okay. You can do it. Let's go to $2. We're feeling adventurous. We're feeling adventurous here. We're also feeling a little bit scared, so. Coin trio, come on. Oh, you could have kept going. You could have, but you didn't want it. Oh? Is there a chance? You want to recount? Oh, come on now. These two. You silly Billy. Those two look ready to go. I mean... Oh, come on. I feel a triple pop coming. Oh, one more wilds. Come on. We keep getting full 3 of a kind, so. Yeah. True. Oh. Oh, it still gave it. That's weird. So just 2 rows gave. The other time we had 2, it didn't do it. Maybe because of the symbol? I don't know. It's pretty strange. It's been a pretty long while without a bonus, wouldn't you say? I should try one more to show the friends what can happen. So we're out here working hard, people, for everybody. We're working hard for YouTube. We're working hard to bring you guys some fun. Oh, come on now. The blue one looks quite ready. It looks like it should. No one knows why it hasn't yet. Okay. Come on, green. What is holding you back from popping? Everyone wants to know. Is it Aristocrat making these decisions? Tell Aristocrat we deserve at least one bonus. Oh? Aces, tens, other stuff. Okay. No more dead spins, please. I just asked for no more dead spins. $69.99 left. Oh? You want to do something up there? You look like you want to do something up there, Blue. Oh, yeah. Oh, there could have been one more over there. Why not? Still good. But we want a little bit more. Still at $69.99. And bonus incoming. Bonus incoming, right? 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 Wrong. No coins. No bonus incoming. Oh my goodness, the coins got bigger and they're glowier and prettier, but what does that mean? What does it mean? We put a lot of funds in here, come on. Oh, double pop. A double? Blue too? Oh, the blue turn too. What was that? Oh, just tiger? I thought we got blue too, no? What? How do we not get blue? Or did we? I don't know. Maybe they're after each other? I don't know. But we need about $50 million here. Award all. So we want to see some big numbers and then some greens. So let's go. Green. Big numbers. We want to see that green. Come on, green. Oh, there's a red one in there too. Come on, green. These are such tiny numbers, right? The green has to come in there. Yeah, it stopped. Please. I got so bright all of a sudden. You can't stop now, can you? You won't though, right? Oh, you will. You will. So this game has a pretty lame bonus round, I would say. You're betting $2 and it gives you $1.08 things. The whole point is to hit a triple pop, I think. And it looks like we did. But now is the blue coming? Is the blue not, why did the blue turn with it? That is, I need a manager. I need a manager and I need him stats. Because the blue spun. We want to see the other one too. That was not good. Oh, what the heck? Now it's just teasing us. Why did the blue turn like that? I have to watch that. Did everyone see that? I need y'all to rewind the tape. I need you guys to be the my eye in the sky right now. That was a pretty lackluster bonus. Oh, triple? What is this? This triple? Oh, double pop, I think. Oh yeah, it is double. Nice. Koi and tiger. Yeah, it is shaky and it just awarded it. Nice. Okay, so now we have koi and thing. I thought it was gonna be triple because those lights came down. Yeah, guys, come on. Let's do this now. All right. Those last few were just so bad. Let's see something good here. Come on. So now, so $16.88. Okay. 18. Bigger, please. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Even more, please. Okay. Okay. Nope. I mean, that's good. Now award all. Okay. So now we have really big ones. Okay. So now we need a lot of green ones. We need a lot of green ones. Come on now. You can do this. Green ones. Drop us one at least green one. What is this $1? It'll like collect all the money and it'll give you pretty much what you have times 2. Oh, mini, our favorite. Nice. We got our favorite at least. We'll take 4 more minis. That's totally fine, you know. No. We can't get any sort of these crazy like multi-coin things, but these $1 ones are so stupid. What are those $1 things? I mean, it can calm down with the coin shower, but I guess, I don't know. Cool. All right. So we saw a few bonus rounds. We thought we got a triple pop, but it wasn't. Oh, pretty. We thought we got a triple pop, but we didn't. We'll do a couple more backups and then we'll skedaddle. Oh, unless the red wants to go. Unless the red wants to go. Yeah. Yeah, it's not gonna pop again. That's what wifey said, and I believe her. So we'll go find a new machine. We had fun, down like $90, but it was a fun time. This is a cool machine. Getting that shaky was nice, but the values are kind of weird. It's all about getting the triple, which is hard, but we'll try again on another one. See you then.